What's up guys, good morning. Alright, so I'm actually here. I can't believe it's more than 2 weeks that I've posted video on this channel. Despite that I've actually made video to edit, I've not been able to even have the time to edit the video. Alright, if you've known the way I actually talk, you notice a slight difference, that my voice is a little bit different. You know that? Actually, here in Nigeria, like this season in Nigeria is raining and the weather is really cold, and for that reason it's kind of affected my voice. So I've been having cold for the past weeks, and though I've been taking some medication, but because I've been traveling, been doing one or two things or the other, so I've actually not been getting enough rest as I would want. Actually went to Lagos for a YouTube workshop, and I'm going to be posting the video soon. Yep. But not this particular one though. I just want to tell you guys why I've actually not been posting video. Some people will be like, are you quitting YouTube? Well, not yet. Not yet guys, I'm not quitting. I was just ill. I was just having cold. My voice was actually affected, and every other thing. I've been having catarrh like so freaking much. And also last week I was having issues with my data. I don't know if it's actually because of the rain stuff. The data is being so freaking slow, and if I want to upload a video, it takes me forever, like forever, to upload one particular video. So editing it, I don't even have the strength to, but I kind of feel a little better. Okay, I think everybody's here. I kind of feel a little better now though, and I'm gonna be posting more videos here. I'm really sorry you guys have not seen me. That's if you care though. I'm sorry you've not seen me for some time. Like, post video here, and yeah, for the vlog I kind of like post making vlog. I don't know why. Maybe because I've been seeing tons of videos online talk about my life and stuff, but at thinking about it, like giving it a second thought, I've been like, what about the celebrities who are very popular and they talk ill about them, they talk all unnecessary stuff about them and stuff? Don't they still go on with their daily activities? So I'm going to be posting more vlog. Yeah, most definitely. I'm sure going to be posting vlog, however it is though. But there are still some stuff I need to tell you guys, like about my relationship that would be coming up in another video. Probably not today. I might make the video today though, but I might not be posting it today. Alright, but I'm gonna be posting this particular video today. And also what else? Okay, those are just the very few reasons why I've actually not been posting video. I traveled to Lagos and it was a very good experience, though I was exposed to cold. Traveling, the whole place was cold, and the workshop, the whole place was cold, like AC, and everywhere was just too cold. I couldn't just take it. You're gonna see that vlog where I told you guys that the whole place is freaking cold and my nose is red because I was just having catarrh, and all of that, trying to blow catarrh and stuff. I was not comfortable at all. You know how it is when I don't know if you are in Africa, you know how it is when you have catarrh or cold. You know how disorganizing it can be. It can just turn the head upside down. And I have a comic video. I have actually wrote like 2 scripts already. but I've not been able to, you know, act it out. It's been so freaking tough for me, but with the help of God, it's been good though. It's been good. And also for my beauty channel too, I've actually not been posting videos. Well, I've actually been posting videos, so you can expect it, okay, because I'm sure gonna be posting videos on that channel and also on this particular channel. All right, so for now, that is my state, my present situation. And I'm good though. I'm having a lot of pains on my hand here. It's paining, but I'm good. I'm fine. I'm beautiful. Anyway guys, so if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share the video, and I will see you soon in another video. I'm actually planning on doing in my feelings challenge with my sister and my cousin Alfred, so you're gonna be seeing that video out. So I hope I'll be able to dance. Alright guys, so see ya later, bye, and